Right now, you are moving at over 1,000 miles per hour. You don't feel it. You don't hear it. You don't notice it at all. That's because Earth is spinning beneath your feet once every 24 hours, carrying everything with it. The oceans, the atmosphere, every city, every living thing. But what if that motion suddenly stopped? No warning, no slowing down, just stillness. What would happen to the planet? And more importantly, would anyone survive? If Earth stopped spinning instantly, the planet itself wouldn't crack or explode, but everything on it would keep moving. At the equator, Earth's surface travels at about 1,000 miles per hour. So the moment rotation stops, you and everything around you would be thrown violently eastward. Buildings would tear from their foundations. People would be flung through the air at jet speed. Planes would fall from the sky. Skyscrapers would collapse sideways. Entire cities would be erased in a matter of seconds. And the ground beneath you wouldn't even be the biggest problem. Water has momentum. When Earth stops spinning, the oceans don't stop with it. They keep moving. Vast walls of water would surge eastward across the continents. These wouldn't be ordinary tsunamis. They would be planet-wide floods, thousands of feet high, wrapping around the globe. Coastlines would vanish instantly. Continents would be scoured clean. As the oceans finally settled, Earth would be permanently reshaped. The atmosphere is also moving with the Earth. So when the planet stops, the air keeps going. This would create winds exceeding 1,000 miles per hour, faster than any hurricane ever recorded. Forests would be flattened, mountains stripped bare. Weather as we know it would disappear. No jet streams, no predictable storms, no seasons. The Coriolis effect, the force that shapes global weather, would vanish entirely. Earth's climate wouldn't just change, it would collapse. When Earth stops spinning, day and night stop too. One side of the planet would face the sun forever, the other side would remain in endless darkness. The sunlit side would heat relentlessly. Oceans would evaporate. Temperatures would soar. The dark side would freeze solid. Ice would bury entire continents. Between them would be a narrow twilight zone, a thin region where temperatures might remain survivable. But even there, life would struggle. Survival wouldn't be impossible, but it would be harsh. The best chance would be near the poles, where surface speeds were lowest when the planet stopped. Underground habitats could offer protection from extreme winds and temperatures. Artificial light could replace the sun. Controlled agriculture would replace nature. Humanity wouldn't be thriving. It would endure, and only as long as technology allowed. Earth doesn't need to explode to remind us how delicate life can be. But the fact that it hasn't and won't isn't luck. The laws of physics that keep Earth spinning are some of the most stable forces in the universe. Gravity doesn't flicker. Momentum doesn't hesitate. For billions of years, these unbreakable rules have held planets in motion. Because of that stability, oceans stay where they belong. Day follows night. Seasons return again and again. Life exists, not because the universe is chaotic, but because it is remarkably consistent. So tonight, as the world turns quietly beneath you, there's something comforting in knowing that the same laws that make these thought experiments possible are the very reason we're here at all. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Mind Blown Science. If there's any other what if scenarios or scientific videos you'd like to see, let me know in the comments and I'll try to make a video about it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you very soon. Take care.